Hello everyone. Now in this series of video powered by visuals, I will explain about the KPI. A KPI or key performance indicator is a metric you can use to monitor progress and define success. For example, a KPI for a salesperson in a company might be the amount of new business generated. A KPI in Power BI is a visualization that all generated based on the power parameter of KPI. So now we'll see in more detail how it works here. So click on the KPI icon. Yeah, adjust its size according to your choice. Now in the value we'll move the cells here. In the trend axis we'll move the order date. Click on the hierarchy here. If you see here, in this card shell is showing 2.30 M, but here it is just 733.22K. So why so much difference here? So answer is here it is showing sales by year. Means this value 733.22K is the sales in the current year. I explain in more detail here this thing. Like we have the data from 2014, 15, 16, 17. So this value 733.22 is value in the year 2017 year. Now we will see how it works. One more feature. Just put some target here. This is 675. Now we'll move this target in this target. Now we can see here the sales value in the year 2017 was 733.k. Our target is 675,000 here. It means the target have been achieved here, and target achieved is more than 8.62% around, and that's why its value is the green here. Now if suppose we change the target here, make it 800,000. Now, yeah, since here target is the 800,000 here and our value is 733.22k only. So it is less than the target here, and target is like minus 8.35% here, it is missing here. That's why its color is the green here. Now one another question here is now area here that we see the pink color. It is now from 2014 it is down, then again from 2015 to 17 it is up here. It shows the overall trend, like from what is the sales value from the year 2014 till 2017. It shows the overall area trend only. So this is all about the KPI, key performance indicator.